Cashew Nut Tree is a poem by Thorodot which is about the cashew nut tree that grew in the poetess' courtyard and her memories associated with it. She was a Bengali poet from the Indian subcontinent. She was the third daughter of the family. Her famous work is Legends of Hindustan and the Asian Ballads. This poem consists of 5 stanzas and 11 lines each. It talks about 3 things. Number 1, description of cashew nut tree. Number 2, why does she like it the most? Number 3, why did she choose this tree? The poem opens with the description of the cashew nut tree, which is tall enough to make it seem like it touches the stars. The tree is compared to a huge python, and its trunk was climbed by a creeper, but it couldn't damage the tree as it was like a giant. The flowers in the tree looked like a scarf for the tree. The tree was busy with the birds and bee, and the tree was like a companion to the human beings when they were at rest. Stanza 2. It talks about the impact of cashew nut tree on poetess. When the poetess wake up from the sleep, she opened the window and delighted to see the cashew nut tree. A baboon monkey sits like a statue at the top of the tree, and its offsprings plays in the branches. She heard a kokilas, a kind of a cuckoo bird, and that sound wake up the sleeping cows. And nearby water tank there exists water lilies which was looked like a huge icy particles. The poetess with her siblings had played under this cashew nut tree. But when she thought of this tree now, she started to cry as she lost her brother and sister in the past. And now she was not in the native, but she could hear the lament of the cashew nut tree from here. The poetess heard the wail of the cashew nut tree, which was far away from any base. When a good spirit is sleeping in the cave in the dust, the wave has hit the shore. When the people are sleeping, she could hear the voice of the cashew nut tree. Fifth stanza. She wanted to honor the cashew nut tree as it was sacred. Not only her siblings, but also the cashew nut tree was attached with her life. Even her days were numbered as she was also suffering from severe tuberculosis like her siblings. Wordsworth has used the deathless trees in Barrowdale in his work. Similarly, she wanted to make this cashew nut tree registered in the history of English literature. Now, let's recap the entire poem. The first stanza talks about the description of cashew nut tree, followed by the reasons why she had a soft corner towards the cashew nut tree, and finally, how cashew nut tree has been registered as an immortal tree in literature. I hope that I have given the important details on cashew nut tree. Now, let's go to the activity session. Find out any 5 rhyming words and rhyme scheme of this poem. Thank you.